Let's make some ribeye tacos. I went ahead and used a thenikosknife. This was a frozen ribeye, probably about 2-inch thick. Chopped it up in small pieces. Get that griddle going. I'm using hickory wood here. Now I'm going to be curing the griddle. First time using it. Get it nice and hot. I'm going to be using some pork fat. First some water, let that evaporate. Then throw in some pork fat. Let that render out. Once you do, then remove it all. Let it all evaporate. Then I did go over it with some avocado oil at the end, twice. Let's roast up some veggies for our salsa. Tomatillos, onions, jalapenos, ancho chili. And once those get nice and soft, go ahead and blend them up. Throw your ribeye right on there. Let it cook up all the way through, nice and crispy. Season it with salt, pepper, garlic. I'm gonna chop it up to smaller pieces. Lay down some cheese. And warm up your tortilla just a bit on both sides. And then we're gonna throw the tortilla right over the cheese. You're gonna flip them and remove them. I'm gonna build our taco, the ribeye, cilantro, onion, your salsa. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. Go ahead and give it a go.